welcome back to my channel. Well, what I have for you today is a little Easter DIY, and most of the things are coming from the Dollar Tree. We're going to make an Easter vignette, okay? I think this is going to be so cute. All right, let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this project. You're going to need 4 of these crafter square crates, okay? You need 4 of these. And then you're going to need different flowers. I may incorporate this from the Dollar Tree, or maybe this from the Dollar Tree, or maybe this. I don't think I got this at the Dollar Tree. I might have, but I don't think so. Then some scrapbook paper of your choice, and then some of these little wooden figurines from the Dollar Tree that are the bunnies, and then some carrots from the Dollar Tree, and some Mod Podge that I did get this at the Dollar Tree, and yes, it is the 8 fluid ounces. I was surprised when I saw it. I got it quite a while ago in Fort Walton, okay? Then some of these little pom-poms, white pom-poms. I picked these up at Hobby Lobby. They were really on a big sale, and I've had them quite a while. And then some of this Waverly chalk paint in plaster. I think it's going to be so cute. And then I'm going to incorporate this DecoArt Americana Decor cream wax. I've used it before, and this was in the color brown, okay? And then I may incorporate these little chicks. I was at Michael's and I saw these. They're so cute. They were $1.99, but they were 40% off. But just look how sweet those are. Or maybe these little baby chicks. They were $1.99, 40% off though. And then maybe even these, I'm not sure which ones. They were $1.99 as well, and they were all 40% off. You'll need something to cut your stems with, a glue gun, a foam brush, one of these little brushes, and a paper towel. So let me go ahead and get everything opened up and we'll get started. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is just open up my chalk paint. Oh, and little girl just woke up. Okay, I changed my mind. I'm not going to use the Waverly chalk paint and plaster. I'm going to use the apple barrel white paint. I think this might give it a better feel for what I want, okay? So you've seen me do this so many times. I'm not going to do a lot. And you might see Maggie running around playing. But I'm just going to put a good coat of the white paint all over, inside and out, and then I'll be right back. Okay, here are the boxes. I painted them with that white acrylic paint, apple barrel, that I picked up at Walmart a long time ago. I love how it turned out. They just look so crisp. Now I'm going to take this Americana Decor cream wax in that brown color. I'm going to take this brush, and I dried these with a hair dryer, and they're pretty dry. They're just a little damp, but for the most part, they're pretty dry. And I'm just going to get some off of this cap, and I'm just going to put this on here because I want to kind of just give it something that looks like that, something similar to that, okay? And we're going to do that all around. And you just put it on until you get the effect that you want. You can wipe some of it off if you want, but I'm just putting it on sparingly because I like that effect. But it's just whatever, it's personal preference, whatever you really like, just do it to suit you. And we're just going to keep going around. So I know you know what I'm doing. I'm just going to put this on to get it however I like it. And I just think it gives it a really cute look, okay? And like I said, you can wipe some of it off if you want. If you think you got it a little too heavy. But I kind of like it heavier in spots. But it really just depends on what you like. But I really like that. So I'm going to go ahead for time purposes, and I'll be back once I get all these done. Okay, I have them finished. I just made them really rough and old looking to me. But you can do it however you want. Some aren't as distressed as others. And I'm not going to glue these together. You could, so it would be in one piece, but I want to do mine like this. You could do it any way you wanted, but I want mine like this. And it will be a little vignette from the Dollar Tree. And you can change this up from Easter to just anything that you want, okay? So now what I'm going to do is take this scrapbook paper and decoupage it on this bunny, a lot like I did the other day. Not quite sure that this cream wax has totally dried, so I'm just going to do this on a paper plate. All you have to do, it's real simple. I did it the other day for a video, but you just get your Mod Podge and you just cover the bunny. I don't want to saturate it, but I want to get it pretty good on here. You can cover it, you can put Mod Podge on top of the paper if you want. I don't think I'm going to. Sometimes I do, but I don't think I want to this time. It would protect the paper if you did that, and it would give it more of a, because this is luster. Mod Podge is the luster. Usually I get the flat, but like I said, I got it at Dollar Tree, and that's all they had. And I wasn't going to complain. And then we just need to put this right over the bunny. There we go. You can roll it with a brayer. You can use a credit card. You can just press. I think that's so cute. Okay. And I'm going to put it right down here. Move this out of the way. Okay, then I want to take one of these little pom-poms for him, a little tail. I think it's going to be adorable. Okay. And I'm just going to hot glue it right on there. Okay, and this is what we have. Isn't he cute? You could use anything that you wanted. Now, I may have to hot glue the bunny on here because he's not going to stay. So I will just put a little bit of glue so that I can take it off, hopefully. Because he's not going to just sit up here. Otherwise, he's just not going to do it. Okay, and just press down. And that's what we have. That is adorable, I think. Okay, so there he is, and you could actually fill that with little Easter eggs from the Dollar Tree if you wanted. Okay, then the next thing I want to do is get these carrots from the Dollar Tree. And I want to take these, and I think I'm just going to set these like the rabbit is looking at his stash of carrots, and put them however you want. There really isn't a right or wrong way to do it, just whatever is visually appealing to you. Okay, kind of give it a little zhuzh. Okay, I like that. Okay, and that's what we're getting so far. I know it's hard to see. I'll lift it up in a minute and let you see it better. Now, up here at the top, I wanted to put some flowers. So let's just look and see what we could do with some of these. I'm just going to pull this off, I think. Turn it towards me. Might put one more acrylic could put some purple in there too. Okay, like that. All right. And then right here, we could either, we could put our chicks in here, or you could put more flowers. I started to put these like little flowers tucked in the corner like that. I don't know if I want to do that or not. I think I may get these little chicks. They're so cute. They are too cute. Might add some of these baby chicks. Make it a little chick family. That's cute. And maybe we'll put this guy or girl right in here. Okay, let's take a look at it. Okay guys, here it is. Like I said, I did not glue mine together. You definitely could. And I didn't glue anything in there except the bunny, but I think it's so cute. You could do so much with this. You could just make it less whimsical. You could put a cross in it. You could put little flowers in it, succulents. You could do so much with this, but I love how that turned out. The little bunnies at the top, and here's this little bunny with his carrots, and this little family here. I just think it's so precious. I think I'm going to incorporate some video of Maggie at the end of this. A lot of you have been wanting to see her. She is so funny. She was on my lap last night and she fell asleep, and naturally she sleeps on her back. Oh, I'd say about 99% of the time. And she was like from her mid back on her back, hanging over my leg, and her paws were touching the couch and her head. Well, she kept moving and she ended up flipping on her back and on the couch and just looked at me in a little bit like, what just happened to me? I mean, she is so funny. Nothing bothers her. She's so laid back, but she is hilarious. That's the only thing I can say. So I hope you enjoyed this little Dollar Tree vignette. It was really fun to make. And like I said, you could reuse this throughout the year and put anything in it you want. It's kind of a farmhouse little DIY just to sit around. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys. Hello, hello little girl. Hello, hello. You go get your ball? Oh, she just woke up. She's so tired. She doesn't know if she wants to play or not. What you doing, pretty baby? What you doing? Oh, hello. You are sleepy. Yes, you're sleepy. Mama knows. Oh, goodness. She's exhausted. She just never sleeps. Yes, they treat her like a puppy. Mama knows. Hi. Hi. What you doing? Bring Mommy your ball. Bring Mommy your ball. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Give Mommy your ball. Give Mommy your ball. Go get your ball. Bring Mommy your ball. Oh, she's such a good baby. Mommy loves her. Oh, Mommy loves her. Oh, she loves her. Say, okay, friends. Say, I will see you later.